Have you ever had trim come loose in your RV? Well, we sure did. So today I'm gonna fix it. That's what I'm fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Cole and this is Younger Every Day. So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold all our stuff in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west. Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy RV life. On this channel we do product reviews, take you on amazing adventures, and share tips and tricks for RV living, just like this one. So if you're new here, click subscribe and join the Younger Gang so you can be part of our community. And don't forget to smash that bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get caught up. Today, some trim came loose. And we're not just talking about a little bit of thin trim, we're talking about some heavy trim that had it fallen, it could have hurt one of the kids severely. Shoot, it could have hurt me severely. So today, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So, Connor, what's going on?
Nothing, just hanging out in my bed.
Just hanging out in your bed, yeah? And what were you doing when we discovered this problem?
Just messing with this.
Oh yeah, just messing with that, pumping some iron. Lifting some weights, yeah. So, we discovered that this pretty massive piece of trim has come completely loose. So we're gonna pull his curtains down so we can show you. Oh, you can't reach that? Okay, never mind. Holy cow. Well, that's not really how we were gonna show you it. But that's how we showed you it. You can see why we might want to fix this, because it just fell off and scared Dawn half to death and almost chopped my foot off. That's how it ended up right there. I think it was actually
the floor.
Maybe I've dented the floor, but hey, at least it didn't dent my foot. But anyway, so here's what's left behind. You can see they had some kind of caulk or something that's come loose. If we get close, then you can see maybe the little staples that are, I mean, that doesn't look like that could hold a sheet of paper up there, much less a piece of wood. I mean, that trim is solid wood, it is not light. So basically 10 or 12 tiny little staples, plus a few swaths of caulk, and that's come loose. So we're gonna fix it today with some Gorilla Wood glue. I like Gorilla Glue. Gonna use my finish nailer, and I'm gonna use a hammer to tap those staples in. So the first thing we need is some safety glasses. Next up, my hammer. So let's find these and flatten them out. Those are going in really easily. That's good. Tapping these in so they're not sticking out to press against my trim when I reaffix it. I don't want them pushing out against it, and since I can't line them up perfectly with the old holes, I'm just going to tap them inside. Well, that's another piece of trim that needs to be repaired. That's special. Alright, so we got them all tapped in place. I'm pretty sure I left my putty knife either in storage or got rid of it, but I do happen to have this. I'm not sure, I don't recall what this is called. It's for taping and bedding. Maybe it's a mud knife. I don't know, but I think it'll work to scrape this old caulk off, so we're gonna try it. That'll work. Making a mess on Connor's bed. I'm scraping this off so that they don't have a nice flat surface for my trim to connect to, and so that glue can hold the two pieces of wood together and not have this caulk in the way. Alright, so now we got a clean surface to work with. I'll put the wood glue on, and then we'll get our trim in place and nail it up.
What's up, CJ?
Nothing.
Are you excited about having your trim fixed?
Yes, but I don't like all the junk in my bed.
Got it? I think that ought to be good. So now we just got to get it in place and nail it up. Okay. afraid that's gonna tip over now. It's already fallen once. I'm gonna be using my Porter Cable 20 volt max cordless finish nailer that I used to install baseboards in our sticks and bricks before we sold it. And so I'm excited to use that. Glad I brought it with us. I'll put links for this and the Gorilla Wood Glue in the description below. Oh, we're getting a little glue out. So there you go. It's like a 15-minute project to take off all the old caulk, tap in the old staples, and then put the Gorilla Glue on, put it in place, and nail it up with finish nailer. Of course, you could do it with a hammer and nails by hand. It'd take you a little bit longer, and you'd have to have your little finish nailer to tap them in all the way, but as it is, I think this worked out perfectly. I think that'll keep it from falling on your head.
Yeah.
Or falling on Mommy and Daddy's feet and giving us the scare of our lives. Okay, so since that came loose, we've had that down for a while, waiting for an opportunity to fix it, put it back together. And I would say it looks a lot nicer now, wouldn't you? Looks a little better.
Yep.
And plus there are no staples sticking out for someone to catch their finger on when they reach up there to do whatever Connor and his sisters do when they're messing with this stuff. All right, we're good to go. Give me a bump. I'm really glad that you told me about that. Certainly if you see anything else that looks like it could fall down and hurt someone, let me know, okay? All right, thanks, bud. So now you know why we travel with a cordless finish nailer, just for situations like this. Actually, we didn't bring it along because we knew this was going to happen. It just lucked out. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and let us know you liked it. And don't forget to click subscribe and join the Younger Gang so you can be a part of our community. Now I want to know, have you ever had trim fall down in your RV? What'd you do about it? Let us know in the comments below. So, taking a nail gun on our trip, just because I had it, but then having to use it because trim fell down and actually could have hit somebody in the head and really severely injured them. It's just another way that we're living younger every day. I'll see you in the next one.